Today we take a look on one of the most popular indicators, the Bollinger Bands. What are the Bollinger Bands, how they work, and how you find the perfect settings for your trading? All these points we will focus in this video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say let's go. So guys, before we start, we have to take a look what are the Bollinger Bands, because the Bollinger Bands are like a technical indicator which gives you information about the volume of the chart. Next to this, you can use the Bollinger Bands as a support and resistance area, and how this works I will show you now. The first thing we have to do here is to create our indicator, and for this we go here up on the little indicator box and we fill it with Bollinger Bands, and after this you will see that there are coming a lot of results here, but what we want to focus here is not the strategy, not any other points, just the normal Bollinger Band. For this we click one time here, and as you can see, the Bollinger Bands are now here perfectly to our chart. So the first thing we see here is that the Bollinger Bands is here like built with three essential lines. And what are these lines? I will explain you now. First of all, we have like the orange line here, which is one EMA, so an exponential moving average, which I explained you in the last video. You can check out on this part. Next to this, we have two blue lines, which gives us a range between our EMA, and this range is very important for the volume of the market. How this works, we will focus on later. The first thing I do all the time here is to go in the settings to like create my own layout for the Bollinger Bands. And for this, you go up here to the settings. So you go here on your little indicator, go here in the settings and then focus the style point. So what I do here all the time first is to put the basic line in white. So this is my EMA. This is now colored in white. Next to this, I will fill my upper band here with the color of red, and my lower band I want to make in green here. Last but not least, I will like delete here my background fill, because for the layout I don't really need it. After this, I confirm this, and now you can see I have here my perfect Bollinger Band layout. Now I want to show you how the Bollinger Band works, because in the beginning I told you there are two functions. First of all, we have the support and resistance area, and we have information about the volume. Let's start here with support and resistance area. So as you can see, we are here in a consolidation period, and this is a period where I really like to use the Bollinger Bands as a support and resistance area, because as you can see, I colored my upper band here in a red color and my lower band here in a green color. And this is because the green color is like my support area, and the red color here is like my resistance area. So that means on my red Bollinger Band here, I want to focus short trades, and on my green area, I want to focus long trades. So if we take a look here, for example, now we can see on this point it smashed our red line. 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 What is happening after this? All time like a perfectly entry here for short trade. So this is how you can use the red Bollinger Band here for some short trades, for example. If we take a look here on the support line, so on our green Bollinger Band line, you can see here is a perfect long entry, also long entry, small long entry, long entry, long entry, long entry, and you can see all of them here in this situation would work. I think in focus of a like consolidation period, the Bollinger Bands are really well for support and resistance. But I want to show you in which period I think it's not the best, because if we take a look, for example, a big crash or a big pump, like on this example, where we see only a lot of like green candles. If you, for example, take in a period where the chart is going like this, the red line as a resistance and short trade entry, you can see that a lot of time, it's not the best idea. So this is why you have to be very careful here with the Bollinger Bands as support and resistance, because it really depends on the market situation. So for example, in like pump and dumps, there it's, in my opinion, not the best idea. In consolidation periods, it's a very nice tool here. Now I want to show you one more thing, because I all time using the Bollinger Bands for the volume. But what does it mean? That means if our Bollinger Bands, so our green and our red line, is like very close to our EMA, that means we have like very small amount of volume in the market. And in this period where we have less volume, the percentage is very high that we're going to take a breakout to the top or to the down. So if we take a look here, you can see that in periods where we have a lot of volume here, the range between our Bollinger Bands and our EMA is very, very high. But if you can take a look, for example, on this point here, you can see that the range here is much less than, for example, on like this range here. And that means for us on this point, it was a very less volume here in the market. Next to this, you can see that the chart is all time below our EMA. So the percentage is here very high that we can see like breakout to the down. And what is happening here, guys, as you can see, the market was crashing down here. And that you can like predict with the Bollinger Bands. Here, for example, you can also see Bollinger Bands are very close to our EMA, very less volume. And after this, the market was going down. And if you want to look, there are so much examples for this. And this is, in my opinion, like the best option to use the Bollinger Bands in total. I think this is a very like great opportunity to like focus on the volume of the market, to predict the like future movements. And this is what I use the Bollinger Bands for all the time here. So guys, that's it about today's indicator session. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. And I would say goodbye.